If you're a new trader, let me get this out there for all of you. If you're a new trader or you have a small account, there's only one thing you should be doing and one thing only. 2-minute EWO. That's it. There's nothing else. There's no scalping for you. You don't have the size, right, to be scalping it. Right? It's hard when you have a $1,500 account for the scalps to make $10. But if you have a $15 account and you have 3 to 5 trades, $300 to $500 inside of those, and they get 50, 60, 100, 200% on a 2-minute EWO, your account will boom, right?
Yes, sir.
2-minute EWO is your dream.
Hey, Coach, can I say something about that?
Yep, go ahead.
So what they have to battle and what I have to, and I still do, is being patient.
Yes.
And it's hard to do when you all are scalping and you're Coach, you're very excitable, and I love that energy about you. And you're absolutely right, that EWO, sticking to that.
It's everything. My entire system is designed around it. It's the first and foremost thing we have. It's